Failed your PTE test and don't know why? Was it your grammar? Was it your writing? Was it your speaking? Don't know? Painful, right? If there was a way of taking your score, analyzing it, and telling you exactly why you failed and what you need to work on, all in a few clicks, would you do that right now? Here you go. Benchmark Smart PTE Advisor is here to help. Using the very latest in artificial intelligence algorithms, Benchmark Smart PTE will digitally analyze your whole exam result. All your communicative and enabling skill scores, all the marks you achieved in each question type, everything you need to practice, where you need to focus for that pass. PTE Smart Advisor is incredibly easy to use. Simply upload your PTE test result in JPEG or PDF format and tell us what score you need to achieve, then let our software do its thing. PTE Smart Advisor will then prepare a report of what you need to do to hit your maximum score. This system will even send a copy of your report to our expert trainers, so they're best placed to tailor-make training especially for you. Pretty amazing, right? So, what are you waiting for? Submit your last PTE result and kill that exam.